Hey guys, it's Ella and my sister Meredith.
Hi.
Today we're making slime with this washable clear glue. Crazy art. Crazy. And it says great for slime making on right there. Right there. I'll prove
Oh,
to
it
you.
does.
Great for slime making.
It does.
So it might work. Probably will work. Didn't even see that when I bought it. Okay, we're gonna start anyway. Please leave a like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Okay. Woo! That's some nice glue.
Whoa.
So we're doing a lot of slime anyway.
Okay, that's not half the bottle yet.
Do it till that line on the box.
Okay.
I think that's half the bottle.
Oh.
Okay, we did half.
That's about half the bottle. Yes. Half the bottle. Oh
See,
my
I told you
God.
up to the line. Okay, so we got lots of glue. Ooh, it feels thick. Nice
It
and
is
clear.
thick. Da da da. Ooh, we got some good dye. Right here,
Yeah,
it's
we
got a lot
got
of
like
color.
a million bajillion colors of dye.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 colors.
Including black and brown and copper. Copper, that's interesting.
And it's yeah, there's 12. Mom said not to use it all up.
We won't.
I have red hair.
Yeah, we know.
Oh, have you seen our guinea pig?
No, stop.
Yes. Maxie!
Lemon yellow. That looks like orange.
Maxie!
Ooh.
Maxie!
Oh yeah, this is Max. He's the cutest guinea pig. Hello guys, I'm Max. Yes, yes, yes. And they are living in
He's Sylvester's. He's Ella's.
Yeah.
Max is Ella's.
Max is
Both of these guys.
Okay.
Wait,
Come on.
both of these guys are turning 2. This is
Barrett!
Sylvester, he's mine, and they're both turning 2 on August 25th. See hello.
Go.
Ow! Ooh! Max! He scratched my scratch. Is that possible?
Yeah.
What color should I do? Copper
about
looks
you?
weird. I'm gonna do some teal.
I have the teal.
But I want to do the teal. Should I do some royal blue? I'll do royal blue.
Take a paintbrush.
I have a longer nail than you.
No, you don't. Well, that's actually.
Yes, I do.
No, my thumb is long. I mean, my thumbnail. Put this somewhere. Oops, okay. Well, that dye is teal.
But that's not enough.
It's fine.
What should I do with this paintbrush? But then I'll get.
Oh. Whoa.
Okay. Pencil will help me.
Okay, you can't really see this.
That's
No.
why I told you it's not enough.
I wonder if you can like pour it.
You can. don't waste it all.
No, you can't pour it. See?
That shows up, Ella. What are you saying?
No, you can't pour it.
Oh, I got royal blue dye on my fingers.
What happened?
I want teal. I'm using teal. It shows up really beautifully.
That's really pretty. Guys.
How do I do this?
Okay, well, I did that.
Ah!
Okay, now I'm just gonna activate.
Why?
I'll be back. Wait, did you use this? No, you didn't.
I need some more. There.
1, 2.
How do you get so much of it?
You just dip it in. I didn't get that much. Guys, it's starting to form. It looks
But when I
awfully
dip
good.
it in, I barely get any.
We'll add it in after. Guess how much I added.
More. I need more. Ah! Ah, yosity poo. Yosity poo. No!
Move your...
Oh, mine's a really nice one. Oh, you can't see the teal on mine. What the heck?
You can't see a teal on mine either.
I can see yours clearly.
Really?
Oh, I can see yours clearly. Look, mine is like...
Stop it.
Mine looks like a really green blob thing.
No.
I need more of that.
You left the video.
Well, I don't care.
Then why are you even in the video?
Because you asked me to.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Oh, this is gonna be good. Where's the teal? Where's the teal? Where's the teal?
What the heck happened? Oh well.
I love teal. Teal is beautiful.
It's kind of working.
They say it's good for slime, but maybe it's not actually. They want slime makers to make it first.
And then fail. Okay, well I'm washing my spoon because it's very dirty. Bye.
My slime's really my. Yep. Okay. Ah! I've got dye on the table. Look at this teal!
Cool. Okay, move it.
But it's beautiful.
Looks like jelly.
I don't care.
I'm not saying that's bad.
Where's the activator?
Right here.
Where's my top? Where's my top? Ugh. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
This isn't working. I'm scared.
Well, mine's working. You just have to put in a lot of activator. You made a big slime here. Need more probably after this.
Entertain the people while I go mix it up. Just add it.
No.
Okay, I will be back with some activator.
Oh look, mine's gonna form. Mine's like jelly. So, our brother Leo, when he was younger, he used to like wear a bell dress. We actually have a picture of it. It's really funny. It's really dark in here. It's actually pretty light, but then at night it looks really dark. Wait, I'm abandoning the video for a minute and go wash my hands. I'm back with another video. Oh my god, my spoon is submerged in the slime. No! My spoon was submerged in the slime. It's not slime yet. It's more of goopy mess stuff. Blech. Ella's not here yet. Here she comes. We have had this video on for 11 minutes.
Yeah, I think they know. Oh, I got lots of activator.
Just pour half of it in there.
No, you can't do it so much. You can't do so much. No time.
Fine. Ha! Look, yours is starting to form.
Great for slime making. I don't believe that. Okay.
Look! Mine is starting to form into a goopy mess.
Ew, what'd you do to the spoon?
My hands were slimy.
Well, you should let me put it in. That's gross.
Then why didn't you ask?
Because I didn't know your hands were slimy.
I think you may need less water in that and more
No, you have to do the measurements.
measurements. I just do it random. Da-da-dum, da-da-dum. I think we failed. Wait. Ah! Goopy mess.
Ew, oh my god, it's actually forming now.
We need some of that icing.
Look at this. It's totally slime. Eye contact solution, I don't have any. That's why we're using borax.
Mine is...
Stop! Don't touch it with your gluey weirdo hands.
If mine fails, don't know what I'm getting.
We've used like lots of activator already.
Actually, mine is starting to form.
It's actually starting to form into a big giant blob.
What about mine?
You have to mix yours.
Why am you not mixing? Mine's just a failure. Wait! Oh! Wait. Yep, mine's a failure. Who would have thought? Wait, actually mine is going to form. This takes its time, like always. Look, Ella, it's starting to form. I just need a lot of active. That's right. Can I just have more activator in mine? Can I just pour the rest of it in this? No! No!
I don't have them there, but
We need more activator.
okay, guys. Well, this isn't working, and we need to like end the video. Maybe it'll work after I'm done with the video. I don't know. I need like a lot of activator for this to work. I wish I used that stuff called Stofflo, whatever it is. This is like kind of working, but it's like not working. It's like, I don't know what this is. It's just a gloopy mess. Oh well. I guess that failed. It's like literally kind of like slime, but then like also it's like no, not working. Anyway, we gotta go, and yeah. Anyway, guys, please like and subscribe.
You know what I'm gonna do?
And
I
comment
poured
down
some
below
out
if you
because
tried this.
if you poured some out, it would regain its composure with the stuff, and then you can put it in the freezer. Pour some out, Ella.
Okay, guys. See you next video. Bye.